Yardi, Jamaican? Oh, yes, you are. Now, I've been trying to get your attention for a bit. I am going to explain to you something that most Jamaicans, especially the ones abroad, wish they knew. Did you know that 36% of all Jamaicans live abroad? And when we add persons of Jamaican descent or heritage, it adds up to 50%. Interesting statistics, isn't it? Now let me explain something to you. So when most of us Jamaicans decide to leave the rock and settle abroad, we settle in places like Miami all the way up the eastern shoreboard to like New York. Or we do places like Toronto or London. No, the other half of us, however, we settle in places like Birmingham or Manchester, UK, British Columbia, Canada, or Las Vegas. No, all of you guys have a unique problem, and I think I am uniquely qualified to solve. For years, getting things back home has been a severe challenge, and times and technology have changed everything, including shipping. But what I've noticed, most of our Jamaicans are not using technology to their advantage when it comes to shipping. We are used to sending a barrel as first thought when we want to get things back home. But if you're not living in places like Miami all the way up the eastern shoreboard to like New York or Toronto or London, getting barrel service is almost impossible. Now, I have a unique solution. 40 to 50% of all the items used in your household on a daily basis is purchased on the internet, right? Right. Now, with 3 simple steps, you can go ahead on our website and set up a free shipping account, which will facilitate in you sending things from anywhere you are back to the doorstep of your loved ones in Jamaica. So you can send one package, or you can combine a few packages and send it in a small box to your family. Now, it will cost you 20% of what FedEx, UPS, or DHL charge to have this package delivered to your loved one's doorstep in Jamaica. We have a platform that rivals that of FedEx, UPS, or DHL. When it's time to pay, you can pay with a credit card, a Visa debit card, Zelle, PayPal, or you can even do a bank transfer. For the 1.3 million fellow Jamaicans living around the world, don't take my word for it. Go to our Instagram page or our YouTube page or Facebook. See our hundreds of delivery videos with happy customers receiving their packages. Watch mama get a big screen TV. Watch mama get a care package. As I said, don't take my word for it. Go ahead. Once you become a happy customer, you can go ahead and leave us a note. You can call us 24 hours a day on our customer service line. We're looking forward to doing business with you. Go ahead, sign up for a free shipping account with us.